Hey there YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Here's a video of me installing yet another lace front wig. This wig was one of our customized wigs. It was made on the sewing machine. I do have a previous video of how I customized this wig, so if you guys would like to check it out, I'll have the link in the description for you. But yeah, watch me slay. Right now we're just braiding her hair back, braiding it as close to the scalp as we can, and then we're going to proceed with adding our cap. You want to always make sure you do this step with adding the freezing spray, because you want her hair to be protected as much as possible. After applying your cap, you just go ahead and follow the hairline with the freezing spray and do so for both sides. Now we're going to go ahead and cut our cap. Just pull back and cut. And as you're cutting, make sure you're following the hairline. Oh, what a flawless ball cap method. So I usually would use a powdered foundation for this step, but liquid was all we had, so we just make it work. I think it worked just as well as the powder foundation would. So yeah, we just used the liquid foundation and it seemed to match her skin tone, so we were good. So we're just going to use our Beau Blast skin protector to protect her skin, of course. Next, we're going to go in with our Epoxy Melt waterproof lace adhesive. Then we're going to apply 3 coats for maximum hold. right, now we're going to apply our wig, and we're going to make sure that lace is nice and melted. Now I'm just using an eyebrow razor to shave the lace off. And again, we're doing this in the shape of the hairline. I know I've said this before, but I'm not really a huge fan of baby hairs. But this time we decided to try something a little different. I don't usually leave so much hair out for the baby hair, but we're just gonna try it out today. Now we're gonna apply our Fizz Fluff foam to get the hair down a little bit, because it is a little, it's a lot of hair at the roots. Even though I tried to pluck it, it was just a lot of hair. So to tame it down, I'm gonna go ahead and use our Fizz Fluff. And then of course I'm using the Sebastian hairspray on the edges to help the lace melt. But as you can see here, I'm trying to pluck it, and I'm trying to get it down as flat as I can. We're gonna put her under the dryer for a few minutes, and then we're gonna work on those baby hairs. Now for the edges, we're gonna go ahead and use our Beauty Brim and our Fizz Fluff foam. And we're gonna use it as a dynamic duo and get those edges laid. Okay, now let's get her back under the dryer. And then now we're going to reveal those beautiful edges and continue on. Now I'm going to apply our Beau Passion heat protectant and just run my fingers through that hair. Then I'm going to apply my Beauté Gloss Polish on the top and around the edges, and I'm just gonna hot comb through it until I can get it as flat as possible. So here, I'm just trying to get that part right. Like, The hair is just very thick at the roots, especially the frontal area. It was just very thick. So it was a challenge to try to get the parting right, and it was just a lot, but I managed to make it work. Now we just gonna flat iron the top part, add some more heat protectant, then flat iron it, then we're all done. All right, we on and popping now. We all done. She looks so gorgeous. Of course, she's feeling herself, and that's our goal. And mission accomplished. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button for more videos like this. Bye.